Hi guys and welcome back. Well, today on Ron's Keto Cafe, today we're making a healthy stir fry today. Very simple recipe today. And what we did was we grabbed a couple pieces of steak. One of them made for my wife, and this I made hers in the air fryer. And today I'm making mine this way. So what we did, we took a regular piece of steak and we just patted it dry. Right now I'm cutting it up into cubes, and we're going to get this going on the stainless steel with some little bit of olive oil. We're going to add some stir-fried vegetables that we bought, salt, pepper, Montreal steak seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt, pepper, and then we're going to put a bag of stir-fried vegetables that we bought and already pre-chopped, and a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and get that going really well. And to thicken it up, I added a little bit of Sandrum gum. And this is a great keto meal, and it came out really fantastic. And at the end of the video, I ended up taking that same piece of steak, it's the same kind of steak, and I just kind of like scored it a little bit with the knife, and I popped that in the air fryer for about 20 minutes with my wife. And that's what I ended up having for today, and she had that today because remember, we're still trying to lose weight. Still down a significant amount of weight, but not where I kind of want to be. So we're definitely back on track, and I want to encourage you guys to keep on trying. So let's just keep going with the video, and we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Well, there you have it. Our steak is done, and we'll stir fry, and then we just took it and put it in a bowl so I can let it cool down so I can have that for later. And gonna get that all mess cleaned up there, and then we're gonna get the wifey pool's steak going, and that's just me plating it under there, showing you in the video what it looked like on the final product. Uh, yeah, so I really enjoyed this. So anyways, on the wife's steak, I just score it like back and forth, and season a little bit of salt and pepper, or spray to put a little bit of olive oil spray. And the reason why I do that is because it makes it really, really crunchy in the air fryer. And pop that in the preheated air fryer for 400 degrees for approximately 20 minutes. At the halfway point, I flip it on the opposite side, and you'll see coming up in the video the final product of her steak, and that's me popping in the air fryer, and that's the final product on the steak. Have a great day.